Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve locked accounts on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve locked accounts on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Clash of Clans. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can go to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.